Hi, my name is Kara Williams, and I'm an AirLight Pro ambassador. I cannot wait to show you this beautiful, shiny silk press featuring the AirLight Pro dryer. What I love about the AirLight Pro is the infrared light technology does super fast blow drying on all hair types. Let's get started. A flawless silk press begins with meticulous preparation. On freshly washed, towel-dried hair, apply a generous amount of leave-in conditioner to provide essential hydration and detangling. Follow this with high-quality heat-protecting spray. Let's introduce the star, the AirLight Pro. Its patented infrared light technology allows for incredibly fast and efficient rough drying, working from the inside out. It means less exposure to heat and significantly reduced risk of damage, preserving your hair's natural integrity and shine, all while drying quickly and gently. Next, attach the specialized comb attachment to your AirLight Pro. This attachment transforms the drying process into a precision smoothing experience. Gently pull sections of hair taut, allowing the AirLight Pro to glide effortlessly from root to ends on pre-detangled hair. The combined power of the infrared light and the smoothing action of the comb ensures each strand is perfectly pre-straightened and smoothed, minimizing the need for excessive heat later on. Thanks to the AirLight Pro's thorough pre-smoothing, the flat ironing step is now about refinement, not heavy work. Take small, precise sections and use your flat iron. Notice how you only need quick, minimal passes per section. This dramatically reduces the heat exposure from the flat iron, directly benefiting the health of your hair, a true testament to the AirLight Pro's difference. To complete your silk press, apply a lightweight finishing shine oil. This adds incredible luster, tames any flyaways, and seals in moisture, leaving you with a beautifully smooth, radiant, and healthy silk press. Voila!